Most of us have had some experience preparing a tax return. You know, the one that's due on April 15th.
A lot of people have the mistaken impression that this is all a Big Four tax practice does. Prepare tax returns. Most companies have internal teams that do that. Now, while we do offer some tax preparation services, it's only a small portion of what we do.
We also help with international taxes, tax issues related to mergers, acquisitions, and restructuring, trade and custom taxes, indirect taxes, tax dispute resolution.
Seriously, you should see the list of tax services we offer. It's almost as long as my arm.
In short, we solve problems, difficult and complicated problems.
And to do that, we really need to know our clients' businesses, because every transaction and decision that they make could, and often does have, a tax implication.
Those tax implications can be extremely technical. That's why we often bring in tax professionals from one of our specialty tax services, be it global tax technology, inbound investments, or transfer pricing.
And that degree of specialization is why a career in tax is so interesting.
Keep in mind, our average client is a multi-million-dollar company with operations throughout the globe. Wherever they do business, there are sure to be tax issues to be resolved.
For example, imagine you're a large beverage company operating successfully in several states. Now, an opportunity emerges for you to expand your distribution network abroad.
On paper, it looks like a slam dunk. You've identified a European company that can help you break into this market. Should you acquire it?
Their distribution network would mean fast access to a whole new market, setting your snappy little soda up to become a big gulp on the world's soft drink market.
But what kind of tax liabilities could this company carry? And what would be the tax implications of producing and selling your beverage in their market chain?
Obvious questions, but complicated questions that could have costly consequences.
Our job is to ask those questions and to find answers.
We bring in specialists from KPMG's Economic and Valuation Services to determine what tangible and intangible assets are worth. You know, things like trade names, patents, and customer relationships.
Then our mergers and acquisitions team step in to structure the deal with an eye out for the tax benefits your business is entitled to.
Tax offers a mix of the work environments you might find in KPMG's other practices, audit and advisory. Like audit, we often work on recurring projects. Like advisory, we can work on a case-by-case basis. It's a fast-paced environment and reactive.
We could be working to meet a merger deadline.
Or we could be responding to the constantly changing world of tax law. It's our job to stay on top of those changes and react in a positive way.
Tax teams vary in size, depending on the project. You could work for one client at their office, but you will more than likely handle multiple projects for multiple clients at once from one of the most prestigious addresses in your town, the KPMG office.
In tax, you'll have a lot of opportunities to work with a wide range of people, both in the firm and externally. The soft skills you develop will help propel your career forward. Tax is very technical. Detail-oriented people with strong analytical skills do well here.
That often gives the wrong impression that tax people need only be focused on process. Nothing could be further from the truth.
KPMG clients engage a world-class firm, so they expect to work with world-class thinkers.
Tax professionals are innovators, inquisitive. They can dig through large volumes of tax code,
but are also able to apply facts on multiple circumstances and communicate those circumstances to clients.
As a tax professional, you'll be part of a team and a very public face for the firm.
That's why tax is such a great place to build a career. It's a specialized practice that can help you develop the expertise that put you in demand.